Hello guys, once again welcome back to my channel, the Token Trackers, and in this particular video we are quickly going to discuss about the Pi DEX. You have probably been asking yourself, why was it not easy, why was it not allowed for us to be able to swap our Pi coins into other coins or into other tokens in the Pi browser? So why was that feature not enabled, and what can we do? Is there any way that we can swap our Pi tokens to other tokens? So I'm quickly going to show you that in this particular video, and how you can swap your Pi tokens in your Pi wallet into other tokens. But before we go into that, if you are new into my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button and also make sure that you do turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. Think that you are mining your Pi, so come over to Pi browser. So come over to this section right here and then hit on Pi browser right here, and then you're just going to go ahead, let's sign into our Pi browser. So it is going to take us to our Pi browser, and then we're just going to go ahead and locate our wallet. So once we locate our wallet here, we click on that, and then you can enter your 24 passphrase right here. I'm going to confirm using my fingerprint, so let me just do that. And then you're going to come over to this page right here like this. So once you come over here, you're just going to come over to this Pi magnet, so click on that and then change to Pi Testnet. So once you change to the Pi Testnet, so you can see this is what we have here as our available balance that we can use to test this feature that I'm about to show you right here. And then if you come right here, you're going to see home, you're going to see a pay and request where you can use to send out tokens, and then you're going to see this one right here. So you click on tokens right here. So once you click on it, you're going to come over here. This is the token platform, and this is the DEX, that is the decentralized exchange place, marketplace where you can change your Pi coins to other tokens right here. So it's possible right here. So you can see swap, you can see exchange, you can see liquidity pools, and then management and so on. Then you can actually add tokens if you want to. So you haven't added any token to your wallet yet, you can start adding by pressing the button below. So that is not what we are about. So we come back here and then we click on swap. So once you click on swap, it is going to bring you to this page. This is the available balance that we have that we can swap. We can swap to other tokens right here in Pi Testnet. Now these Pi tokens right here, they are just here for you to allow you to be able to test some functionalities on the Pi app right here. It is not for you to withdraw for any personal use or whatever. So once you come over here, you're going to see you can insert the select here. If you click here, you can see the option to select tokens. So for now, because we are in the testnet phase, we are still in the testing phase, so you can see that this is all we have. And then for now, we are not allowed to add tokens. Why are we not allowed? It is because it has not yet gone to magnet. Once it is on magnet, you will be able to add tokens here and then go ahead and be able to select. So which means that you can swap from Pi to other tokens like USDT and so on. So now, since we are just testing, so click on this one right here, and then you can see this space is empty here. I'm going to come back to it. Then you're going to see buy. So we want to sell Pi and buy which token. So what is the token? So you click here, and then you can go ahead and select the token. So now we don't have any tokens, so let's click on add more tokens, and then you can see here under here you can have manage tokens. So you have featured tokens. These are the tokens that they have added here. These are the tokens that are featuring in this process right here. And then if you come to all, you can see that there are more tokens right here. So I'll go back to featured tokens, and then I'm going to just go ahead and enable one. So which one should we enable? So let me just pick this first one. So click here, let's enable it. So you can see confirm token changes. So just come down here, click on confirm changes, and then we wait for it to load up, and then you can see you have enabled pizza token. You can now transact with this token in the Pi wallet. So now, so let's click on swap token. So if you click now, you can see the token has been selected here. So we want to swap our test Pi into pizza token right here. In the future, once this token has been enabled on the mainnet, we'll be able to insert pi here and then insert any other token that we want to right here, and then you come here, you can enter the amount. Let's say I wanted to swap about 2 pi, and then you're going to see it this space is empty like this. Naturally, the value of it in this pizza token is supposed to appear here. So let's click on review here and see. So once you click on review, you can see that it has given us the value of pizza token. So 2 test pi is going to give us about 0.05 pizza token right here, as you can see. So if you click on review, so in the future that review will be swapped. So once you click on it, you can now see confirm swap right here. So if you click on confirm swap, you're going to just wait, and you can see that it's trying to swap. So you can see underfunded, you don't have enough native balance to pay for the transaction fee. In your case, you might be having more than what I have there. I actually used it for my test pi. I had over 100. I used it for something, so that is why I just have this. So if you are having 100, you can use to test it, and that is how you are going to be able to swap your pi tokens to other tokens in the future. Now you might be asking me, what is the need for testing this particular feature right here? Now look at what Pi said on October 2nd right here in their official X account. They said the launch of Pi DEX, AMM. The AMM here stands for automated market maker, and liquidity pool features on Testnet gives developers and pioneers a live environment to try out the mechanism of decentralized finance, that is the DeFi, is inside the Pi ecosystem. If you look at some of the past videos I made about Pi, you are going to see that I have told you that Pi was going to really dump. Why did I say so? Because we are still mining. Pi has listed and it is currently trading, and then we are still mining. There is more supply, and as there is more supply, the team is also focusing on building other utilities. So if you are investing in any Pi, if you are investing in this Pi project, you shouldn't be looking at short-term benefits. You should be looking at long-term, and even that investment, be ready to lose some fraction of it. Be ready for it, because this is cryptocurrency. Make sure that you always do your own research. That's what I wanted to share with you in this particular video. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, or if you are new into my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. So thank you so much, guys. See you in my next video.